Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're someone who loves using Notion for organizing your work, projects, or just daily life, you might have wondered how to add a description to a Notion page, something to clarify what the page is for, or just guide other collaborators. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, even though Notion doesn't provide an add description feature directly for pages. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 easy ways to make your Notion pages more informative and professional without needing any special tricks or templates. Let's get right into it. First things first, it's important to note that Notion doesn't have an add description option for regular pages. If you've been hunting for that little button in your menu bar, you're not missing it. It simply doesn't exist for basic Notion pages. If you're working inside a full-page database, you will see the Add Description field at the top, and in those cases, the process is super straightforward. Just type your description right in. But for standalone pages, we need to use a couple of clever workarounds. And don't worry, they're all quick and easy to implement. So let's talk about your first option, using comments. Every Notion page allows you to leave comments, either for yourself or for anyone who shares the page with you. Just click on the 3-dot menu at the top right corner and you'll see the Comments feature pop up. You can jot down a description, extra notes, or a summary of what this page is all about. It's especially handy for team projects. Imagine you're sharing a project roadmap and want to clarify its purpose for your teammates. Just drop a comment at the top and everyone has context right away. Remember though, comments are tucked away in the sidebar and aren't always immediately visible. So this method is best for information that doesn't need to be front and center. Now, the most straightforward method, just add a description as regular text at the top of your page. Think of it like writing an opening paragraph for a document or report. Place your cursor right at the very top before your main content starts. Hit enter and simply type in a short description. Something like, "This page outlines our monthly marketing strategy," or "Quick reference guide for onboarding new team members." You can format this text using bold or italics to differentiate it, or even change the text color if you want it to stand out. This style is great when you want the description to be immediately visible and easy to reference, much like a table of contents or an introduction in a textbook. It's simple but really effective. If you want things to look a bit more professional or visually appealing, you can use a Notion callout block. This is one of my favorite tricks because a callout really grabs your attention. Just type "I'll call out" at the top of your page and you'll create a colorful box where you can add your description, a little note, or even an emoji. For example, if your page is a resource hub, you could use a callout to say, "Welcome. Use this page to find all team resources and useful links." The callout stands out and gives your page that extra polish, kind of like a sticky note or an announcement banner. Plus, you can change the color or add icons to make it truly your own. And that's it. 3 simple solutions for giving your Notion pages descriptions, even without a built-in feature. If the lack of an official description field ever frustrated you, these workarounds get the job done. Whether you need a quick note just for yourself, something visible for collaborators, or you want to add a little flair, try out each method and see which fits best for your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Notion tips. Got questions or want to share your own page setup tricks? Drop a comment below. I love hearing about your unique solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.